Okay, this is us here again.
Snuggies.
But we're honking for Snuggies.
Okay, here, car.
Car.
Oh no.
Hopefully it stops. Or honks. Anybody? No?
No one.
People might just
look. Read it. Just read it. The whole thing.
honk for Snuggies. And if you are gay. Jenna added that part.
Do you see Aaron's Snuggie? Let me show them your Snuggie.
It's actually not mine, it's Hannah's, but no one cares.
It's beautiful.
Mine is at my house. It's blue. Honk for Snuggie. Dance in your Snuggie.
Snuggie. Snuggie, Snuggie. Snuggie.
Snuggie, Snuggie. Nope, not even a look. No.
Okay.
Okay.
With my awesome dancing.
Here, hold this. I gotta put on my gloves.
Okay, well, we're gonna take another video of us in Betty's pen before this thing dies.
Dang it, I don't have my gloves.
Oh, we're gonna go inside anyway, so bye!
Bye.